I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to do a look that it's trending. Not a look, but more so a technique. And it is using tissue paper. So I have mine right here with my Ariel, of course. And I have the tissue right here. I was inspired by Brenda. Hi Brenda, mwah. A lot of kisses, girl. This is her Instagram right here, and it is Brenda's beauty blog, and I saw her do this look right there, and I was like, oh, let me try. I was inspired by it. So even though I'm going to use the tissue, I'm going to put a twist to it. I'll have her Instagram and her channel listed below. Go follow my girl, guys. So let's go in with this. Oh my god, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm gonna have a twist to it. I'm gonna do a rainbow look. You guys know it is Pride Month, so that's why my background, and I really love it. So my nails, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and create the rainbow look using the tissue, but I want to create it with a twist, which is going to be glossy. I also saw this going around, so I'm going to create a rainbow glossy eye look. If you guys are interested and want to see how I create this, please do not forget to grab a snack, your favorite drink, relax, sit back and enjoy the video. Okay guys, I am going to go off camera really quick, do my makeup. I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids, but I'm not going to set them because I want the colors to stick that way. And I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using this one from CASHAPP Beauty, and it's the Before the Party. I have not had the chance to play with this, so I was like, I'm going to use some colors from here, but all the colors are not here, so I will be doing the rest of the colors with the Profusion Spectra palette, because this one has all the colors, but I just wanted to see what formula, you know. So yeah, let's get in with the video. So I'm gonna start with this palette right here from CASHAPP Beauty. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this shade right here, the yellow one called Jalapeno, right there. And I have my tissue right here. Oh my goodness. My eyes are set, and I have tinted moisturizer. I am peeling, guys, so I don't know if you could see this, maybe not because of the lights, but you could see like peeling kind of thingies, so bypass that if you do see that. Okay, so here is the tissue, and I'm gonna go ahead and go into this shade right here. And I did not set my eyes because I want the colors to pop, and obviously I cannot blend, so I just have to like stamp it in. Let me see if I have any creases. Now I'm gonna take another side of it. I'm gonna go ahead with this green right here called Flower Girl. I'm gonna take some. I'm gonna go in with the Profusion palette because I need a purple, and that one does not have it, so still using the same tissue. I'm gonna go ahead and take this purple right here. I'm going to go ahead into the CASHAPP palette, and I'm going to use this blue right here. pretty. I'm gonna go ahead into the Profusion palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this orange right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna take another tissue. Another tissue for my other eye. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead off camera really quick, do the rest of my makeup, and I will be back to finish the eyes. Okay guys, I did the rest of my makeup, and I put lashes and everything. I did my lips in a dark purple. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and this is the from Colourpop, and it is Haze. I did a video on this from Ulta. I'll put it right here on the eye, so you guys go check it out. And this is in the shade Clear, and I'm gonna use this gloss to do a glossy eye. Comes in this beautiful packaging. Look how cute, guys. And I've never tried this before, so I don't know how this is going to apply. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here, and just with a flat brush apply it right here. I'm going to put some in my lips because this lipstick is drying. And this is the completed eye look. I hope you guys like it. Let me know below if you liked it. If you didn't, let me know below if you like this little twist with the glossy eye. To all my LGBT community mermaids and Aquamans, this look is for you. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. This June is Pride Month, so yeah, I'm gonna be giving you guys a lot of like bim boom bam kind of looks. Yeah, so do not forget to subscribe, and please do hit me like and share the video. I had so much fun creating this look. I used 2 of the tissues one for one eye, the other for the other one, and I really enjoyed it and love it. I really love it. I love the look. I love how it turned out. Let me know below what you guys think, and thank you so much to Brenda for inspiring me in this look. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Have a nice video. So you guys, in today I hope everybody is doing well. Today I am going to do a look, a different look, not a different look, but a different technique that I let's try this again because you hear the motorcycles. Okay, let's try this again.